Ta-da!
Wow. This is this one. Okay. Wow. Okay. Sorry. Ooh, is my battery down? What will it sound? Great. Okay. Hello? Good. It's over there. Yeah. Oh, I see your what?
Excuse me, baby.
See? It's yours. It's here. Like this. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't see that. Oh, okay. Is it? Oh, okay.
I can't throw this one away. Let's turn it on. How do I turn this thing on? Let's read the user's manual and figure it out. Oh, maybe okay from here. Turn it on from here. Let's see. Yay! Let's increase it. Ooh. Wow. Baby, you're running. Yeah, I just wanted to increase it to 30. This is the highest. Is it on my body?
Put on a waist.
Ooh.
Waist.
Jesus.
What? And I vibrate.
Yeah. I reduce it. See the impact it has on my body. Wow. See. This is at 20 now.
It's almost this thing.
Okay.
So, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Turn it off.
Oh, round head.
Yeah.
Yeah, flat head.
Just a minute, please.
Okay, that's cool. That's your ice. Where's it? Go back.
Give to mommy.
You know.